Top anti-anxiety foods. Brown rice. Brown rice is very nutritious and is one of my favorite anti-anxiety foods. Brown rice is also rich in manganese, selenium, magnesium, and B vitamins, all of which are important for your nervous system and mental health. Green bananas. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps with nerve transmission, muscle function, and maintaining fluid status in cells. Green bananas are more stable on blood sugar, which is important as sudden changes in blood sugar worsen raise anxiety symptoms. Salmon. According to research, eating salmon has cognitive benefits. Salmon and other fatty fish, such as mackerel, trout, and herring, are rich in omega-3 essential fatty acids, a nutrient that has an important role in cognitive functioning. Dark chocolate. Chocolate has a high content of tryptophan, which the body uses to turn into mood-enhancing neurotransmitters such as serotonin in the brain. Dark chocolate is also a good source of magnesium. Almonds. Almonds provide a significant amount of brain-protecting vitamin E and are a good source of magnesium, both are which are important for mental health. Vitamin E is an antioxidant and it protects cell membranes from free radical damage, thus helps to slow mental decline. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is packed full of mood-boosting ingredients. It's a good source of magnesium, potassium, and manganese, all critical minerals for managing anxiety and mental health. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel to stay updated with the latest videos.